Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. Connor back again on the upgraded Razor. We're hitting a group ride. We're actually meeting up with another guy named Miles who also has a Razor, and a bunch of others, so it should be fun. Should be a good time. Oh, we'll see what happens though. Last time we rode, my chain tensioner was all messed up, so hopefully it's good now. Not even messed up, it was just the bolt that holds it in was nearly off, so I'm glad I caught it before it actually happened. All right, we got the boy Miles. I can't wait to see your wheelies. We got Mike. Miles, can you pull it up right now? Oh, I hear that stock suspension. Wrong way. Oh, Miles with the seat standers. Yes, sir. Mike's getting in my way. Yo. I love it, bro. With the Razors. And guys, we are off. I think we're gonna head down towards the stadiums. There's actually a Phillies game going on today. We got the whole pack with us. Beautiful freaking Sunday today, guys. And I'm hyped. We got another Razor out doing wheelies. All right, missed our turn, but we're good now. Hit a knee knock. Oh, I hear a pack. Woo! Knee knocks suck. Tight squeeze. Sketchy. Oh, swerving on him. Oh! See, Miles only has a 48 volt, so it's not quite as powerful as this. Whew, lots of people out today. Well, don't worry, guys. I can still... Oh, fuck, that was close. I can still do a sit down. Just weaving through here. Yeah, we're heading down to the stadiums. There's a Phillies game going on right now, as you can tell by the jerseys here, but I don't know if it's still going on, to be honest. You don't have a welded freewheel, do you? Oh, you do.
That's what makes everything so much easier.
Dude, that's what everyone's saying, but I'm just not. I haven't done it. Should I do it?
100% worth it.
Did you get someone to do it, or you just have like a tack welder or some shit? Ah, okay. Yeah, I should probably do it. Does your motor get really hot though because of that?
I don't really check, but
Yeah. So Miles has a welded freewheel. Turns out. Mike is too funny, dude. I should probably weld mine. Everyone's saying to do that. Once I get the EC4P motor, I probably will. But in the meantime, freewheel. What did he drop? His shoe? Whew. Kill switch. Woo! Just wheelies down South Broad, baby, with the boys. All right, we're pretty much here to the stadiums. We'll see how it is with it being blocked off from the cops for the game, but made our way into the stadium, baby. Wheelie time. Seat stander, let's go. The balance that takes. Yep, it looks like the game is over, I think. Because everyone is leaving, clearly. Woo! Yep, there's the Phillies stadium. Everyone's leaving. I wonder if we won. All right, duo wheelies with Miles. Same time too. bag of flour. Wave to the Eagles Stadium. Hello. Hey. Hello. Alright, we're gonna ride over to Philly Stadium because there's some outlets there. Attaboy, Miles. Love to see the Razor work. He does those seat standers like nothing. His seat is a little wider, definitely seems more comfortable.
Hey.
Alright guys, we did a quick battery swap. We got the bikes charged up a little bit. Everyone's back outside now, outside the Philly Stadium. Whew, knocked my peg down, but I think we're gonna ride back up Broad. Yes, sir. And we got more Miles. You got a car on your right. Hello, Mr. Officer. Over this curb. Like nothing. Oh! Ah! I wasn't paying attention. With the swerves. Yep. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. Whoop. Tight squeeze that one. Through City Hall. Oh, nothing. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, Miles just pieced. Whew. I'm gonna go up to the meeting spot they're at right now. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. That's about the end of the ride. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That would be a sick jump. I will catch you next time though. Peace.